G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I'm super excited because we've got a new product to Wurth Australia. It's the DPF Super Concentrate. Now what this does is you put it in the fuel tank of your diesel vehicle and it helps with burning off the DPF. Now it does this, the particles that pass through the engine, they hang onto the carbon deposits and soften them and make them burn off at a lower temperature. So it's more efficient. So for vehicles, especially in city cycle vehicles, this product is a must. Now we'll go out, we'll put some in my car and we'll see how we do it. So that's how easy it is to apply. Simply open the can and pour it into your fuel tank. Now this 150ml container of the DPF Super Concentrate will do 60 litres of fuel. All right, so it's important not to overdose. Now for problematic vehicles that do a lot of burns, this is the perfect product because you can apply it on every tank if you need to get that problem sorted. But if after time you're still not getting the results you want, you can use the Wurth particulate filter cleaner. This is sprayed directly into your DPF. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page. And the Wurth DPF Super Concentrate, it's ready for work.